had the opportunity to use Cypress testing for automated testing, and I stumbled upon the using of AI in Cypress testing when I read this blog post of Cypress where they discuss about the usage of chatbot AI. The problem with that, those technologies does not take into account the selectors. They're not getting the selectors I want, because in Cypress, if the selectors is not the one that we added to the element, it will break the test cases. We use AI to supplement the Cypress test. I'm only the tester in the project. What I did is to check whether the AI service is needed. Most AI service is a little bit pricey. I tend to go to the free ones. It is mainly a supplement for the Cypress testing. It's the GitHub Copilot, a code completion plugin for the IDE. When I type, it auto-completes the related functions and statements. I can take the screenshot, upload the image, and ask AI, can you list all the possible test case scenarios for this page? I'm using the Codium AI. It auto-completes the codes, and most of the time, the codes it provides a more efficient test cases created. With that will be more accurate. It lessens the possible overhead. AI will shape our testing processes in the future. The time for creating test cases has been reduced and the quality of the code improved. Most of the AI services advertise low to no code testing. Cypress is mostly heavily code, but most of the existing AI services right now, they introduce no code testing. They just prompted, look for Kindle and add it to the shopping cart, and then from there the AI service create the whole flow without any code. The other one is listing the steps of the test cases. So you can do first step, look for Kindle, second step, click add to cart or shopping cart. That second approach, they call it the English language approach, because you are just instructing plain English. The AI services will definitely help us give more time in testing rather than coding them. It really depends on the client's needs. Like in our client here in ONB, they basically just starting up. So introducing another AI that costs much, they should think about their clients. Another thing is that will it integrate easy in their existing technologies? Because what we do is we use the AI technologies to supplement our current testing tools. They should research first, and last thing is the learning curve. And the learning curve steep, it will make the team's performance go down rather than making it up.